Yitahome offers a place you can always call home. This simple platform bed is your oasis to leave behind the hustle and bustle. Drift off to dreamland with peace of mind. This budget-friendly steel frame offers 12 inches of storage room underneath. The included slat kit also means there's no need to add a box spring. Behind every sweet dream is a Yitahome's bed frame. Perfect support for a soft mattress so you can snuggle with your beloved on the Yitahome bed frame. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy metal frame. Features a thick and sturdy metal frame constructed from premium iron to provide product with a longer lifespan. King bed's overall dimensions are 80 inches long by 76 inches width and can support up to 11 pounds. The weight capacity is calculated as an average after covering a 0.59 inches MDF. Number 2. Enjoy sound sleep. The double cross rails near the headboard and the supportive legs in the center improve overall stability. Middle bed legs are upgraded, and the metal bed and foot pads are anti-scratch and anti-flipping for top-notch comfort. Anti-scratch foot pads keep the floor or mats free from harm. Number 3. Under bed storage. All sizes are 14 inches platform bed. Below the steel bed frame is storage space up to 12 inches tall where you can store your boxes, suitcase, or toys. Provides more space when tidying up your bedroom. Number 4. Upgraded slats. Distance between slats. Twin. Full 5.31 inches. Queen, king 5.98 inches. Sturdy slats provide strong support and prevent the mattress from sagging. This extends your mattress lifespan. The central bar's non-slip foam tape prevents the metal slats from making noise. A minimalist aesthetic for a cozy and sound sleep. Number 5. No box spring needed, easy to assemble due to the minimalist design. Central bar's non-slip foam tape prevents sturdy steel slats from making noise. Directly place a mattress pad on the frame. No box spring required. Number 6. Anti-scratch foot pads. Protect your floor and mats from being worn out. Get a noise-free and cozy experience. Number 7. Upgraded slats. Strong frame with high-end metal slats. Intensive gaps between the slats maximize weight capacity and prevent the mattress from sagging. Number 8. Sturdy support. Manufactured with heavy-duty metal materials, dual headboard cross rails, and extra support legs in the middle. Number 9. Extra storage space. 12 inches high storage space underneath the bed frame to place your boxes, kids' toys, suitcases, and other items. Number 10. Easy to assemble. Yitahome bed frame is convenient to assemble with instructions and videos included. Can also be easily disassembled. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.